guys, so welcome back to another video. So right now we are leaving to Target. I already got ready. I think it's about noon right now. I think it's like 12 right now. Let me check. Oh, I am way off and so wrong. It's 1:21 right now. It is Sunday. I am by myself right now with the girls. Anthony had to work today. Huh? Let's go. Okay, let's go. Come on. So, yeah, so I'm just putting the alarm on. Alright. And it is a little gloomy outside, which sucks because I do not like the rain. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on, Mama. Let's go. Baby, come on. Tap it down. Watch your head. Come on, baby. Where's Sissy? Sissy, where's your Sissy? Alright, so we are on our way to Target. We're leaving now.
And it's raining.
And it's raining, huh, baby? Hopefully this car mount holds you up because I am not about to have my... I'm not about to have my camera fall to the ground. What do you want, Mama? Tell me what you want.
I want a turtle.
You want a turtle?
Mm-hmm.
But you said you want a baby turtle, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, hopefully we can get you one day.
Okay, Sissy wants a fish.
Sissy wants a fish?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Who else knows the struggle of getting to a store and you have a sleeping baby? Oh, let's hope this goes well. Listen, stay over here. Looking for Grace. Oh, Zay's over here, Zay. Ooh, have you guys tasted this before? Ooh, so good. I love these. These are like my favorite. You guys need to try these. What is it? Chicken flavored rice. So good. I like to eat it with chicken. I'm getting them this Paw Patrol waffles. Hopefully they eat it because I already know them. Getting one of the things that costs the most to a parent. Look at this. Which diapers do you guys get? I usually get Huggies. I used to get the Target brand. Anyways. I used to get the Target brand, but I don't know if they like changed their like the way that they make their diapers now or what, but I feel like they just feel different and they feel a little cheaper. But Huggies is the way that I've been going, so you know. Which diapers do you guys use? I'm curious. Oh, look at your little house. Look at you. And look at this one over here. One time, you guys, I lost her like that because she decided to hide in there. I lost her for like a minute, but you know. Scary minute. Parents know. Okay. Let's go, girls. Oh, cute, huh? Comfy critters. You guys have no idea how many times I have to say,
Mama.
come here. Over here. Yes, baby. Huh?
Mommy.
Huh? Cool. Wow. What, baby? Cute. No, not right now, though. Come on. Oh, tomorrow. Okay. What? You guys, this is what I should put over my mirror for my makeup room, huh? Light bar. That's actually smart. I wonder how bright it is, though. Whoa. Okay. You guys, has anyone tried this? It's at Target. It's a self-tanner mousse. I think I'm gonna try it. I'm really curious. It's $16, so way cheaper than like, you know, the other ones. I'm gonna try it. I think I'm gonna do a review on it. It's clear. That's pretty cool. You guys, I'm always obsessed with this little section at Target, like all the glittery stuff. But I never know like what I would do with it. Cute. Alright, so we just left Target. We are going to go to, oh actually I'm gonna get Miguel's. I'm gonna get Miguel's for myself. And I'm feeling in a good mood today. I never do this. Never, never, never. I never do this. My husband would actually kill me for doing this, I already know. But I never do this. But I'm going to Miguel's for me because I'm craving a bean and rice burrito. And the girls want what, Mama? What do you want?
McDonald's.
McDonald's, huh? But I just don't feel like eating anything from McDonald's, so yeah. Hold on. Alright.
Sorry, Mommy, I'm really sneezing.
That's okay. The next day. I'm also in the same outfit, so don't judge me. You guys, do you eat this? Ugh, this is my favorite. Really, really hot. Ugh, my throat. Really hot. Almost done with it. Bomb. But I will say, always have a napkin on standby. And your water. Because your eyes will get watery. Oh. Look at my lips are all like have that orangey color now. Let's see. Let me take a bite for the vlog. The flavor and the spiciness is everything. But your eyes do get watery. Look at this. Bomb. And my doggy always next to me. Look at her. She's always got to be next to me, huh, Penny? You always got to be next to me. You always got to be touching me, huh? Yeah. Look at her. What is up, you guys? Welcome back. Either welcome back to my channel, or if this is a continued or if this is a continued vlog, then let's just continue with the vlog. Oh my gosh, my mouth is burning from that soup. Woo. All right, if you're sensitive to chili, I recommend not eating that. Like, you can even see on my lips got that like orangey, that orange like color from the chili. But so we're here today. Today is Memorial Day. I'm here at the house because Anthony had to work today, so we'll probably update you guys a little bit. Alright, so I have to clean my... get it out. Alright, so I have to clean my kitchen. It is a huge mess. Don't judge. But I do like to see like these, you know, when people are cleaning and stuff. Look, I got the chile on my chest. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at that stains. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, if you see that, it's the chile. And and also don't judge my outfit right now because I am just here cleaning, okay? Who cleans in fancy outfits anyways? But so yeah. Don't touch it, Susie. Don't touch it. Susie, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Leave it there. So I just cleaned the kitchen. I got like some of it, and then I got a phone call, and I was on the phone the whole time, and I didn't realize that I was cleaning while I was on the phone, so I couldn't record the rest of it. But what's the thing? But yeah, so I'm going to take out this trash right now, and I'm going to clean. I have to wash these dishes. Can't even see my face with the beige. Alright. I still can't see my face. Alright, so set it up on top of the microwave. Usually the stuff that doesn't fit in the dishwasher, I'll wash it. So I'm gonna do that right now. But yeah, I don't know. You guys can't really see my face anyways. Can you see me? Oh yeah, here we go. Alright. So usually the stuff that that doesn't fit in the dishwasher, I will wash it really fast. So I will do a little time lapse on that too. So stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. I don't know. But okay, so not too bad. Still need to clean. Not too bad. I still need to clean the oven. I mean the what's it called? The stove. Oh, you guys always have these tablets charging. Look how dirty they are. My daughter, my 2-year-old, likes to get everything dirty. Always have them charged. They save your life. Yes. But yeah, so that's about it. I will get back to you guys later. Hello, so we are back. It got a little chilly. It was sunny earlier, but it got a little chilly. You guys, look what happened when I put the dogs outside. Look at her. Hey, zoom. Look at her. She's like, let me in. Squeeze. Uh-oh, there he goes. Logan? Let's see. Good. I'm gonna start off. Maybe, oh. Nothing. Trying to get something to drink. Okay. So so it's just about 3. Oops. About to be 3. It's like 2:40, 2:39. 2:39. So still here by myself. Anthony should be here. Yes? Here. Anthony should be here a little later. Watch out, Mama. Watch out, baby. So I'm just gonna have this open. Just kind of chillax. Just kind of relax. Oh, what are we doing? Ugh. Let me show you guys how to. I've got to put a lime on there. I just got too excited to drink it. I'm gonna put you. Let me see. No. Ugh. I would have my tripod, but it's in the car.
Mommy.
Alright, we'll just put it differently. Yes, baby? I know this big old thing for just to cut a lime, but my other cutting board is in the dishwasher. So I'm just gonna lather it really good.
Penny did this.
I know. I need to do it. So usually I go over the sink. Let me see, can you see me?
No.
And try to aim it on the actual bottle. Don't waste your tahine. Tahine is too valuable to waste. And then inside, and then it's gonna foam up like crazy.
Mommy.
Yes, baby? Cheers. Oh, see? Foaming up. There it goes. And it's still foaming. That's the only bad thing about putting tahine inside. It foams up. All stopped. Alright. So, while I drink this and wait for Anthony, ooh, dark, and wait for Anthony to get home, I'm gonna be watching a movie. I know you know what movie this is. But yeah, so look at this girl. She keeps on moving the door open. I close it and she opens it up again. Look at her. I close it and then she opens it again. Ay, ay, ay. Look at her. And you guys, she pushed it off. Look, it came off. Ugh. I have to wait till Anthony gets home to fix that. Because I don't know how to fix it. So
Penny, take it off.
Bye, Penny. Because I love this tube top. I love the color of it and everything. So cute. But yeah, so careful, baby. But yeah, so just checking in with you. This is what I'm doing, just kind of waiting. Zayla is asleep, my second daughter, my younger one. She's asleep. She's taking her nap. I had to, you know, put her down. Oh, look, the sun's coming back out. Yes, Penny. The sun's coming back out. Oh, it's so nice today. And there he goes again. Go again. It's a little blurry.
Looking at the makers.
You guys, he's a Doberman. We couldn't chop his ears because I don't know. The place that we went to wanted like $800 and we just never got around to it. But I mean, whatever. You know, he's still cute.
I love my doggies.
You love your doggies, huh? That's Logan and Penny. Logan, Penny.
Penny.
He's the he listens. She doesn't listen. She makes her own rules. Look at that. Look at her. But he's our good boy. He's one that listens.
Yeah.